super soft and succulent chicken tikka kebabs. My name is Fatima Saib and this recipe is from my latest cookbook, The Hungry Table, but you can also find it on the Taste website. This recipe takes just a few minutes of prep time. All you have to do is mix everything in the bowl and then just let it marinate. I recommend cutting your chicken into bite-sized chunks so that it cooks evenly. I do suggest marinating this entire dish overnight, but if you are short on time, you can do it for a couple of hours. I love using the Woolworths double cream yogurt because it makes for an extra creamy and thick marinade that clings to your chicken. It reminds me of summers spent in Durban with my family. All of the spices just come together so beautifully to make such a delicious tikka marinade. I usually use some chaat masala in this recipe, but today I'm going to use a beautiful fresh lemon and some lemon zest. Now that your chicken has marinated, it's time to put them on skewers. And all you're going to do is alternate with chicken, pepper and onion. And then it's ready for the grill. What's great about these is that they take all of 10 to 15 minutes to cook. And you can make them on the stovetop, in the oven or even on the braai. These smell so good, but all that's needed now is a final squeeze of lemon juice. And of course, a garnish of coriander. It is so succulent. Oh my gosh, you have to make this.